about 2 hours away from Metro Manila, kaya mabilis lang ang travel. This province boasts of a lot of popular tourist destinations like the beaches in Anilao and Baia. Kaya naman kahit na hindi namin mapunta ng mga tourist spots na ito, okay lang, basta makabalik ulit sa Batangas.
Pinangako po namin, we'll be having the Sarah Geronimo here inside the booth. And maganda ka pa sa hapon. And this is the third time. Third time you went to concert here in Mars.
Hindi ako huli ko yung yung record tape na tayo.
So what love is looking to? Ano magpuro lang sa mga?
Yes, ito po yung Valentine Day. This year naman, very excited to be.
Actually, we just had an interview kay Sarah Geronimo because tomorrow, 24th day for the month of September, it's going to be 8 o'clock at Yalas Alipas Central. We'll be having a concert together with, of course, Martin Rivera, Concert King, for What Love Is Philippine Tour 2011 here at Lipas. Okay naman. Actually, surprise kami dahil hindi namin inaasahan na ganito ang mangyayaring crowd na nandito sa station ngayon. Sobrang dami. Kasi before, yung dating interview sa kanya, all the staff lang talaga. But this time, kahit family yata ng staff nandito.
So, maganda siya na ito po, sa Limata Tagas, we're very excited. Sana po, tayo ulit mga mahal natin malagay.
Of course, Rockstar Princess Sarah Geronimo again. Some original station, of course, yeah.
Sa Uncle Sheffy, hinost po namin si Sarah to have her lunch just before she has her concert. So we are one of the sponsors ng mangyayaring concert niya.
Hello guys! Dito kami ngayon sa Lipa, Batangas. Dito sa newly opened na restaurant called Uncle Sheffy. Yan. So, yun, nag-lunch kami dito. Ang sarap ng food.
Yung serve natin was Memphis barbecue. It's beef ribs with spaghetti Alejandro. It's Spanish-inspired pasta. And panitsa. That's the specialty of Uncle Sheffy.
Starstruck na kanina. Nagbigay ako flowers. Medyo kinabahan pa ako. Maganda siya. Mukhang friendly and very approachable. Kita niya naman.
Yeah, it was nice. Yeah, it was nice. Seeing the people again and having them is really a very, very nice experience for us. Yeah, lalo-lalo na napakasikat ni Sarah dito sa Batangas, lalo-lalo na sa Lipa. And also the crew. They really look forward na ma-meet siya, ma-servan siya, at makasama siya sa mga picture-picture.
We're very lucky na we were chosen as an official concert ni Miss Sarah Geronimo.
Masarap. Tapos pasta. So, yun, after dito, pupunta na kami ng Cebuana Luwili area.
Right now, meron tayong visit sa branch in relation to concert ni Sarah, yung What Love Is concert. So every time na may visit, so in-expect natin na maraming spectators, maraming fans yung susugod. And as of now, smooth naman yung pag-visit ni Sarah. Lagi kaming happy na si Sarah ay bumibisita sa aming branch anytime na may concert siya.
Gusto ko siya the way ang kanyang pagkanta, talagang basta gusto ko siya as a singer. Very few yung local talents na gusto ko as a singer and she's one of them. So I am very happy to see her in person here in Lipa.
Ako ay nagagalakad from New York, nakita ko siya, nakita ko rin sa Pilipinas. At napakaganda niya. Siya ang pride of the Philippines, our very own Sarah Geronimo.
Alam mo, excited talaga kami nung makita namin si Sarah kasi napakaganda at alam naman namin very talented ang batang yan. Anyway, alam mo, nasubaybayan ko siya nung manalo siya first time na umanga talaga ako sa kanya. Alam mo, ang kulang talent at napakabait na bata. Ito mo naman, sinalubong talaga ng mga tao dito sa City Hall. Lahat ng mga empleyado nagkakasama. Alam makita si Sarah, excited ka rin. Tomorrow, talaga sold out ang ticket.
The promotional activities are going well. Maraming kailangan puntahan to disseminate information about the concert. Nakakatuwa na makita ulit ang mga kababayan natin sa Batangas. Nakakataba ng puso ang mainit na pagtanggap ng mga Batanggenyos, kaya hindi talaga nakakasawang bumalik sa Batangas. So, I'm excited na for the Batangas leg of What Love Is Concert.
Okay naman siya, yung mga tao nag-iintay pagdating sa Geronimo. Kasi talagang panaman nila mga taga-Batangas si Sarah. Pero hindi nila kanina pa. Oo. Lagi yung sumusuporta sa City Mart. Kaya lagi yearly talaga kinukuha namin si Sarah Geronimo. Dahil siya yung number 1 endorser, maganda na, pwedeng sa buhok. So, kompleto, complete. Sarah Geronimo.
Wow, grabe! Sobrang bait niya. Tapos, ang ganda niyang babae. Sobrang ganda niyang babae. Ang bait niya. Ewan. Parang ko talaga siya. Hindi ako nakatulog kagabi. Super excited. Oh, 2-5. Tapos nanalo ko ng 315 ticket.
Kasi po napakagaling po niya, napaka-talented po niya. Tapos para po sa akin siya lang po pinakamagaling po. Ako po first time ko po. Masaya po. Super saya.
Kasi ang ganda-ganda po niya. Tapos, ang bait-bait. Sobrang humble. Sobrang ganda-ganda pa niya. Sobrang ganda. Kasi super duper ganda. Kasi super bait-bait.
Masaya kasi talagang patuloy siyang sumusuporta sa amin. Actually, last year, meet and greet namin. Then ngayon naman, yun nga yung What Is Love, yung promotion ng concert niya. So sana, next year, bumisita ulit siya sa amin. Okay na.
Very excited po kasi syempre makikiging close din kami kay Sarah. Pero unfortunately, hindi kami nakapag-picture lahat. Sobrang pero we're very happy na rin kasi nakita namin si Ate Sarah. Sana po makapanood kami. Ang ganda-ganda niya, ang bait-bait pa. Ba siya in person? We love you, Sarah! Thank you! Pinagbigyan kong hiling namin. Love you!
Okay, John, di mo masabi mo kay best friend si Sarah. Maganda daw at sexy si Sarah. Dahil magkikita kita na bukas dahil sa Lipa at 24 bukas yan, 8 p.m. Nakabili ka ba ticket sa Lipa? Magkasama tayo.
sobrang dami pong tao at talagang sila ay tuwa at talagang patanggap ng mga Batanggenyo Tipeño kay Sara.
Yes guys, tapos na yung mga activities natin para sa promo ng $1 sponsor tomorrow at dito sa Lisa John Batangas. So, ayun, bukas na yung concert with Sir Martin Rivera. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa amin. Bye!
It's always a busy and hectic schedule kapag may show, especially one as big and grand as What Love Is concert. There are lots of things to do before the concert, such as rehearsals, makeup and hair preparations, meet and greet, etc. Everyone's busy kaya mas nakakahawa ang high energy ng mga people who are involved in the show. So, I am more enthusiastic to have a wonderful show.
Provincial tour, yes, this is the first time I'm working directly with Sarah. The mix is a little different because Martin is more of, his ballad, reverb, and Sarah is pop. But it was a surprise. She sings very properly. Her mic techniques are good. Very easy to mix. Very powerful voice. But yeah, I actually, singers who are seasoned are usually easier to work with. They're the thing here in the Philippines, because not very many singers get used to singing with a system that has full monitoring. So they're used to having bands blast into ears. But I believe that it is a good mix between both of them on their styles and their persona. Well, Martin, I've always been working with Martin for time immemorial. Sarah, I've watched her several times, and I said, I love her voice. A lot of singers don't understand when you're working with a strong band behind you. Pag masyadong malayo yung microphone, yung band pumapasok eh. Si Sarah, malakas yung boses niya. At kumaganda siya na nito. My voice will be changing so much with the moving just 2 inches. This kind of microphone that they use, there's a 2 inches distance. And Sarah sings really well on it. And it's powerful. So it's easy for us to mix her voice.
Bali ako po yung nag-abang po ng mga fans po ni Sarah at saka ni Martin po. Ako po yung ng mga ticket nila, mag-check. Siyempre, excited din po. At saka maganda rin kasi, po si Sarah, idol ko rin po sa pagkakanta at saka sa mga pelikula niya.
Nagsisell po ng mga magazine. Yung Lax magazine po, excited po, super. Kasi, avid fan po ako ni Sarah. Magaling. Kasi once nakita ko na po sila sa ASAP na nag-perform. And yun, magaling po.
Nagbebenta kami ng album ni Sarah, mga concert niya, yung mga CDs, album.
So, first time pong ino-launch yung Sarah SIM, siya, 50 pesos, may 20 pesos load na, last 35 ng pretext sa lahat ng network.
And meron akong picture dun sa SIM card. So, syempre, nakakatuwa at parang wow, nangyari ba ito? Ganyan. Pero hindi ko na masyadong iniisip. Pero sobrang po ako thankful to my whole family sa importance na binibigay po nila sa akin as their endorser. Salamat po.
Siguro, summer dance number where she should give her best kasi sabi nga nila, magaling nga siya mag-perform.
Ganun ang walang plastikan, walang very natural lahat. Yun ang the true Martin Rivera. Super excited pa rin kasi hindi lang naman, although alam mo yung repertoire ng mga songs na, but the thing is, ang aabangan mo is yung spiel eh. I mean, yung reaction ng mga audience, kasi iba-iba yan. We came up with the audience na medyo high, middle, tsaka yung lahat yan, na-enjoy namin lahat. Diba? Another one of my favorite artists who's always so fun to work with. Ang saya kasi kasama niya, diba? Lagi may joke time, gano'n. So, tsaka very
generous siya sa artist as a mga katrabaho niya. So, really love him also. Siyempre, as every concert naman ni Sarah, pag nagsisiri siya ng concert, siyempre, lagi kami masaya, lagi exciting. I always look forward to working with Sarah, siyempre. It's our first time to produce a show, but this is like our first time to produce a big show, like, siyempre, having Martin and Sarah in one show is such feat for us, and we're happy for this. Who wouldn't want, diba, to produce Sarah in a concert? Since we're in that line of business, it has always been our dream, and that's always been part of our plan. Na sana someday we can do something like this, na having the pop star princess in a concert, plus, diba, the concert king pa Martin Rivera. So, hindi lang siya parang dream come true for me personally, but dream come true for the company also. The usual kasi pag nagduduet, yung nag-work together as a team sa isang concert, syempre puro love songs, ganyan-ganyan. So sabi ko, ano kaya mangyayari dito? So when I first saw the repertoire, actually I found it really interesting kasi parang na-mix yung best of both. Yeah, parang dalawang generations na yan, ano? Kasi Sarah is like, siya yung bago, and then Martin, legend na yan, diba? Icon na yan. So, perfect yung combination. Plus, yung vocal prowess nilang pareho, hindi talaga matatawaran. So, perfect talaga yung combination. I'm excited. I know it's gonna be a good show. I'm excited. And I've always been a fan of both of them, so I'm sure we're gonna have fun.
Concert to the different provinces comes with a desire to share our love. We hope that the Batangueños are feeling the love through our songs and music. Every time Sir Martin Rivera and I see na nag-e-enjoy ang mga kababayan namin, mas lalo kaming ginaganahan na mag-perform. It's a great feeling to sing and dance with the Batangas audience.
Yes, in 3 minutes, mag-start na yung show namin dito sa Lipa, Batangas, De La Salle Central. Of course, this is what love is with Mr. Martin Rivera. So, ayun, good luck sa amin. God bless our show.
Sobrang saya. Alam mo yung mga Cebuano, unang-una silang pinakamahirap i-please. Sa buong 29 years ako sa showbiz, hanggang ngayon, the Cebuanos are the hardest to please. But nice to know, nandun sila every step of the way, every song ni Sarah, every song ko, every duet, nandun yung mga Cebuano. I worked with Rick before. He's a great, all of the musicians here can be musical directors because they worked together before, over and over again. So, isang tingin lang, isang cue, isang face ng panic, alam ng buong banda, no? May ibang mangyayari ngayon because they work together so often. Rick is a great arranger. This is probably my second or third time lang na nagiging musical director sa isang show ko.
Kasi marami na rin akong nahawakan ng bilang musical director. Ito ngayon isang karangalan at isang malaking sabi kong challenge para sa akin kasi isang concert king at saka isang pop princess itong ngayong sa gabi nito. Kaya excited ako ngayon sa gabi nito.
Sarah, this will be another springboard for more shows with Sarah. I love performing with Sarah. I'm so sad that our Valentine's was moved to June and July, I think it is now. So I look forward to every chance I can with Sarah. She's the sweetest, the humblest, the easiest to get along with. There's so many singers, old and new, who can learn a lot from Sarah Geronimo, and her talent is unbeatable. So to be on stage with Sarah Geronimo brings out the best in me.
Yes. God only wants the best for us, His children. Ganun din ang ating mga magulang. And if it's not meant to be, one has to let go and move on. Kapag nakapag-move on ka na, that's the only time na ang true love ay makakarating sa iyong puso. Tama po ba? Tama? Ayan, I'd like to share this song
with all of you. Ito ay one of my favorite songs today. This is for all of you.
It's very nice and it's a wonderful concert.
Magaling, sobrang galing. Sobrang galing. Pati yung mga belting out po nila, magagaling.
Ang galing magpatawa, ang galing magbago ng lyrics. Ang galing. Ano, kahit impromptu, ang galing.
At tapos na po ang show namin dito. Punta na po kami sa Cat Party. So maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga mahinang Batangueses na nanonood dito sa Lipa, Batangas. Maraming salamat. What love is with Mr. Martin Rivera. Wow, I am overwhelmed. Maraming salamat sa mga Batangueses for the warm appreciation. What Love is Philippine Tour will be complete without the Batangas leg. Thank you to the producers and organizers. Of course, super thanks to all the people who worked hard to make this show a success. I am looking forward to the next destination of What Love is. More travels, more bonding fun with everyone. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless you. Till my next entry, much love, Sarah.